Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb do up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb do up is to fasten something. The little boy is in a hurry to go out and play with his friends. Make sure you do your shoelaces up before you go out. You don't want to trip and fall. The man ate too much on his lunch and had a slight problem before he went back to work. I can't seem to do my belt back up. I think I ate too much. Meaning two of do up is to repair, paint or improve an old building, car or boat. The real estate agent is selling a house. It's a beautiful cottage in the countryside, but I'll be totally honest with you, it needs a bit of doing up. That's why the price is so low. When the kids got older and moved out, the couple redecorated their home. I've wanted to do this room up for years. I love the kids, but thank God they've moved out. Meaning three of do up is to tie or arrange hair in a particular way, or to dress really special for an occasion. The woman is getting ready for a job interview. I'll do my hair up in a ponytail to make myself look more professional. They are all getting ready to go to a nightclub. I spent hours doing myself up for this night out. I'm so excited. Meaning four of do up is to create or compile something, usually used in terms of documents. The manager delegates to their team. I need you to do up a report on last month's transactions. The employee is proud of what they achieved. I did up a list of all of our company's clients. After that, I called a number of them and upsold them more products. So let's look back on what we covered. Do up can mean to fasten something. Do up your coat before you go out. It's very cold outside. To repair, paint or improve an old building, car or boat. I did my car up really nice and sold it for a nice profit. To tie or arrange hair in a particular way, or to dress really special for an occasion. I got my hair done up for my wedding. To create or compile something, usually used in terms of documents. The company did up a new training pack to give to new starts. Where did you hear the phrasal verb do up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.